Welcome to my yard. I'm Jess, so let's chill. So my intro is not going to be long. I'm just going to go straight to the point. This channel is just going to be a safe space for my 4C babes, my natural hair babes that want to know how to style their hair, because 4C is the toughest of all natural hairs. So I understand the struggle. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on slick bun. Let me not even lie, I think this is going to be the first I'm going to try to do this thing successfully, because I've tried it before in the past and it's a struggle. So my hair, I've combed it out already and hopefully it will work, because to do this slick bun on 4C hair, it's not this. And if you like what you see, you can hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Yeah. I'm going to list the hair tools I use in this video in the description box. Now I'm making the center pattern I did off camera a little more visible. I pat a section of my hair and I apply both the Echo Styler and Got to Be gels. I use my brush to stick it back, then I tuck it away with a hair ribbon. Then I just repeat the process throughout my hair. Like a snack. So now I'm just going to adjust it like with more, gel. Let it slick back. Then I'm gonna tie my hair. Like I said, it's the first time I'm successfully doing this thing. So practice makes perfect. My trusted edge booster. You see, subtle edges. This place is more fly than this place, but we move tight, so and we wait for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it off. I have more edges here than on this side, but I still look like a snack. That's like the cocoa. So this is it. You could decide to rock your hair, or you can decide to add extensions, which I have here. Take a scrunchie, a band, hair packer, whatever you call it, like this. Put it in between, like this. Just take it in the back. Okay, because my hair is full, I'm just going to try to braid it. Take this in to my hair. Pass it like through the braid. Take, because I did it into 4, like this. So take this side, wrap it around my hair. So I'm not going in any particular direction actually, I'm just wrapping it. Ta-da! Look at this pink thing. So you can rock this like anywhere if you're going out. But if you haven't going to work, like this is really professional. See, look. Wear some earrings. Wear your, accessorize. And good to go. Some other guys showing this side because this edge is delayed, but this side, not so much. Got this clips from Coffee. Check out the business page, guys. They sell amazing hair dye, so it's really good. So, thank you guys for watching my first ever YouTube video. Thank you for coming to my yard to chill with me, and I'll be bringing you more beautiful hair content. But once in a while, I'll be giving guys some vibes here and there, some random. But yeah, you can check out my other socials and my other YouTube channel, which is Ladi and D, where we discuss culture, bringing like vibes and energy. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.